Hey, this is the new Laurastar U. I'm still learning about it, but it's pretty neat because it actually has an app, oopsies, that teaches you how to iron. And you're probably thinking, hey, I'm an adult, I know how to iron, but this is an iron unlike you've never used before. First of all, you can see there's a fan in it. Let me see if I can adjust this a little bit more. I can't. We're adjusting the camera. There's a fan in it that every time you go to iron, the fan blows. In this case, I have it blowing the garment up because I don't want there to be creases. So it just automatically goes on. How neat is that? And the steam automatically comes out as well, although there are buttons on either side of the iron that will make the steam come out as well. Now, if you were to do this with your iron, the next call you'd be making is 911. It's not because the steam isn't hot. It is a 400 degree high temperature steam. 400 degree, I'm making that up, that's what I heard. I thought I could be wrong. I'll know more about this soon. But meanwhile, if you just want to watch me as I iron my clothes, that's what I'm doing. Someone's going to have the nicest iron scrubs at the hospital. You can also use this as steam, a steamer for your garments. The steam is such a high temperature that it kills 99.99% of bacteria. That's right, people use this for bed bugs. Get rid of bed bugs and germs in bedding. Hi guys! Wish you were here. I could iron your clothes for you. What am I doing next? I have this cute little laundry thing. What else do I have here? Oh, so this shirt's pretty wrinkled. And it's a difficult shirt to look at that. Terrible, huh? Most of my clothing comes out of the dryer wrinkled. Someone told me I might be drying it wrong, but we'll see. I'd rather just iron. So again, I'm going to leave the fan blowing because I want this to stay nice and fluid so I don't get wrinkles, because this is a technical shirt with this backing like this. So we'll see how the fan works. You can see how it raises it up. Makes it a little bit easier so I don't get creases in the shirt, especially because it already has that. We're gonna put this over here. Do that again. Never thought I'd be ironing a shirt like this, but it needed it. I just normally wear it wrinkled. I'm going to have this most well-ironed clothes and not have to go to the dry cleaners to get it. So Laurastar gives you, what we give you here at the store, a 2-year warranty, but they guarantee that these irons are not going to be obsolete for over 10 years. We will repair them. Thank you for calling Vac MD. This is Kim. How can I help you?